This is so stupid. If only there was one way to fix this.
The time has come. A spreading of some form has reached beyond us. The spread will be so strong as this is a prophecy no one has ever seen before. Just know that this isn't the end. The CPC will remain strong. Fight it, CPC. Fight it. Your time has come, World Health Organization. Make an announcement, or otherwise no vaccines will be at the ready. Make an announcement. Don't make an announcement. The world is fine. The world is fine the way it is. The world is fine. 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 The world.
See me?
What the frick happened here?
Alright, this sick patient has the recent flu-like virus that is going on, right? And he's been apparently saying something that I can't really tell what he's saying. Dave, are you freaking drunk again? You always come in this office drunk.
Me? Drunk? I'm not drunk. You're the one. What the frick is he saying? Stetionbruv!
The following message is transmitted at the request from the Salem Medical Research Center at 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A medical patient that had the flu-like virus went insane and demolished hospital equipment. Authorities have killed one of these patients, but the 52 of the 133 patients that were sick with the flu-like virus has gone through an insane rampage. Evacuate immediately, bring food, water, and medical supplies.
After last night's rampage, who gives a crap about this flu-like disease? No one really cares! Listen, this mortality rate, it's freaking insane. What matters about a mortality rate, you idiot? Can I finish? This isn't even a flu-like virus. 109 of the 133 patients have all died naturally. That's like 81%. What? This virus can spread to freaking mammals. Let's just transmit this stupid message already.
There is a new virus found in Salem, Massachusetts. This virus has been mistaken for a variation of the flu, but instead it is found to be very, very worse. School-wide closings happened all across the U.S. The symptoms of the virus are as such: coughing, sneezing, nausea, headaches, stabbing pains in the stomach and eyes, and some form of insanity. The name of the virus is called Stetionbruv, or SBV 2024. We suggest you wash your hands for 20 seconds and cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. The Stetionbruv virus has a mortality rate of 81%. The Stetionbruv virus can spread to mammals, serpents, and insects such as worms, snakes, rodents, multiple kinds of bugs such as cockroaches and spiders, household pets such as cats and dogs, horses, and other mammals. The immune system cannot stop this virus.
Patient 12A, I don't know what the fuck's going on, but something is going on. Okay, I'll take a look. Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey, you can put the scalpel down. No, Stetionbruv, Stetionbruv! Change of plans. Report to the CDC that a new case. What the f?
If you listen to this message closely enough, everything will become clear. This is from major professional doctors at the Centers for Disease Control. Please stand by. This message is about the new virus outbreak that is currently in Massachusetts and Utah. SBV 2024 has worsened the society of America, and we, as a disease-curing company, cannot do anything about it. The insanity of several patients in Salem and West Valley City has caused mass panic in the United States. This disease has no real cure, and antibiotics aren't doing anything about this disease. If you have any family members that are getting pre-symptoms of SBV 2024, send them to a nearby hospital. Our Stetionbruv protection centers will keep them safe until this disease passes a calm-down, in which odds are that isn't likely the case. If you had kept a family member who has SBV 2024 and you didn't take them to a hospital, putting them down is mandatory for your safety. We as a society find this absolutely mandatory for prevention of SBV 2024 spreading. If you have these symptoms, it is too late for you. The SBV 2024 virus has worsened, increasing its mortality rate to 84% and the insanity being 23% worse than average. The Centers for Disease Control now detect that the virus location up in Utah will spread in all 4 directions as their best estimate. It will hit the furthest city towards the bottom left, St. George, within the next 72 hours. It will be up to a week before Utah is fully spread with the virus. It will also spread towards Nevada, Idaho, and Wyoming within the next 24 hours. Regular programming will be disconnected until further notice. We will stay strong even when there is nothing we can do.